Hi, Mrs. Vera. Can you hear me
Halo
and
Ibu
see me
Vera,
all right?
apakah Ibu bisa mendengar dan melihat saya dengan jelas?
Yes, doctor.
Ya,
I'm sorry
dokter.
my camera
Maaf,
isn't very good.
kamera saya kurang
I'm using
bagus.
my grandson's
Saya
laptop we
menggunakan
bought
laptop
him for
cucu saya
school.
yang kami
It's
belikan
the
untuk
only
sekolah.
computer we have in the
Ini
house.
satu-satunya komputer yang kami punya di
I can
rumah.
see you just fine, Mrs. Vera.
Saya bisa
I
melihat
see
Ibu
your
dengan baik,
nostrils
Bu
are a
Vera.
little red and you
Saya
look
perhatikan
very
hidung
tired.
Ibu
Is
agak
that the
kemerahan
reason
dan
for
Ibu
this
tampak
consult
lelah.
today?
Apakah itu alasan konsultasi Ibu hari ini?
I'm honestly terrified that I have the
Jujur
coronavirus.
saja, dokter, saya
My
sangat
nose has
khawatir
been
kena
running,
virus
I've
corona.
been coughing,
Hidung saya
and my
meler,
throat
saya
is sore and
batuk,
itchy.
tenggorokan saya
I've also
sakit
been
dan terasa
lightheaded and
gatal.
had a headache since yesterday.
Saya juga merasa pusing dan sakit kepala
I'm sorry to
sejak
hear that,
kemarin.
Mrs. Vera. We'll try to get to
Saya
the
turut
bottom of this.
prihatin, Bu
Have
Vera.
you had any difficulty
Kita
breathing?
akan cari tahu penyebabnya ya. Apakah Ibu
I
mengalami
don't think
kesulitan
so,
bernapas?
but every once in a while
Sepertinya
it
tidak,
sounds like I'm
tetapi
wheezing, especially if
sekali
I go
saya merasa
outside.
seperti mengi,
I've been trying
terutama
to go
saat
for
keluar
walks
rumah.
at least once a
Saya
day.
mencoba
There are
berjalan-jalan
so many people
setidaknya sekali
walking
sehari,
around in our
tapi
neighborhood.
banyak
It's
orang
hard
di
to
lingkungan
practice
saya jadi
social
sulit
distancing.
menjaga jarak sosial.
Well, before we proceed any
Baik,
further,
sebelum
can we
kita
go over
lanjut
the
lebih
medicines
jauh,
you're currently taking?
bisa kita bahas dulu obat-obatan yang sedang
Yes,
Ibu
doctor.
konsumsi?
I'm taking my blood pressure
Ya,
medication
dokter.
and my
Saya
allergy
mengonsumsi
medicine.
obat
I'm
tekanan
sorry,
darah
I
dan
don't
obat
remember what
alergi,
they're called.
tapi saya lupa namanya.
Lisinopril and cetirizine, also known as Zyrtec?
Apakah itu lisinofil dan
Yes,
cetirizine yang
lisinopril.
juga
I
dikenal
remember
sebagai
it sounds
Zyrtec?
like Lysol.
Ya, lisinofil.
But
Saya
Zyrtec
ingat
doesn't
karena
sound
namanya mirip
familiar.
dengan
The
Lysol.
allergy medicine I
Tapi
take
Zyrtec
is
saya
the one
kurang
that you can
yakin.
buy on the shelf at
Obat
Walmart.
alergi yang saya minum itu yang bisa dibeli
What color
di
is the
toko
bottle
Walmart.
that your allergy medicine comes in?
Apa warna botol obat alergi Ibu?
It's green.
Warnanya hijau.
Yes, then it is Zyrtec. So you're
Kalau
taking your
gitu
medication
memang
every day?
Zyrtec namanya. Apakah Ibu rutin
Yes,
mengonsumsi
doctor.
obat ini
I
setiap
take
hari?
them every morning before
Ya,
I make
dokter.
breakfast.
Saya selalu minum setiap pagi sebelum
How
menyiapkan
often do
sarapan.
you forget to take your medication?
Seberapa sering Ibu
No, doctor.
lupa minum
I
obat?
never forget to take my
Tidak
medication.
pernah, dokter.
It's
Ini
part of
sudah
my
jadi
morning
bagian dari
routine, and I keep a little
dari
recipe box with
rutinitas
my
pagi
pill
saya.
bottles in them next to
Saya
my
juga
stove,
menyimpan
so I don't
botol
forget.
obat dalam kotak kecil di dekat kompor agar tidak lupa.
Excellent. Are you taking any
Bagus.
vitamins or herbal supplements?
Apakah Ibu juga mengonsumsi vitamin atau
No,
suplemen herbal?
doctor. Well, I don't know
Tidak,
if this
dokter.
counts, but I take
Tapi
carbon
saya tidak tahu
capsules.
apakah ini
My cousin
termasuk.
takes them to lower
Saya
my
mengonsumsi
cholesterol.
kapsul karbon.
Last time they did
Sepupu
blood
saya
work on me,
menggunakannya
they
untuk
found that my
menurunkan
cholesterol
kolesterol.
was starting to get
Saat
high.
pemeriksaan
So I
darah
thought it would be a
terakhir,
good
kolesterol
idea.
saya mulai naik. Jadi saya pikir
Do
ini
you
ide yang
mean charcoal
baik.
capsules, Mrs. Vera?
Maksud Ibu kapsul arang, Bu
Yes,
Vera?
doctor. They're little
Ya,
capsules
dokter.
with a black powder in
Kapsul
them.
kecil
I
berisi
take
bubuk
2 every
hitam.
morning with my
Saya
medication.
minum 2 setiap pagi bersama
I
obat-obatan saya.
see. Mrs. Vera, I'm
Saya
glad you
senang,
told me this.
saya senang Ibu memberitahu saya.
Activated charcoal tends to bind with
Arang
toxins
aktif
and
memang
chemicals
bisa
in your gut.
menyerap
But
racun
the
dan zat
charcoal
kimia di
itself
usus.
isn't absorbed by your
Tapi
body.
tubuh tidak
If you
menyerap
ingest
arang
it,
itu
it comes
sendiri.
out in your stool.
Arang akan keluar melalui feses.
Yes, doctor. As I
Ya,
understand
dokter.
it can absorb
Tahu
cholesterol
saya
too.
arang juga bisa menyerap kolesterol juga.
Right, and that's why a lot of
Benar.
people say it
Dan
lowers
itulah alasan
cholesterol.
banyak orang
But the
percaya
important thing,
bahwa
Mrs.
arang
Vera,
bisa
is
menurunkan
that it can also
kolesterol.
absorb
Tapi
other
yang perlu Ibu
things.
ketahui, Bu Vera, arang juga
Like
bisa
what?
menyerap zat lain. Maksudnya,
Well, for
seperti apa?
starters, it can bind with some medications
Misalnya,
and prevent them
arang
from
bisa
being
mengikat
fully
beberapa
absorbed
jenis
into your
obat
system.
dan
It
mencegahnya
could be
terserap
interfering
sepenuhnya ke
with
dalam
your blood
tubuh.
pressure medication
Ini bisa
and
mengganggu
possibly
penyerapan
your
obat
allergy
tekanan darah
medication.
Ibu.
How long have you
Bahkan
been taking the
mungkin
charcoal
juga
for?
obat alergi Ibu. Sudah berapa lama Ibu
Oh
mengonsumsi
my
arang ini?
goodness, I had no idea.
Astaga, saya tidak
I've
tahu
been
itu.
taking them for about
Saya sudah
3
mengonsumsi
weeks
sekitar
now.
3
My cousin
minggu.
gave me a bottle right
Sepupu
before
saya
the
memberi
governor
saya
told us all
sebotol
to stay
sebelum
home,
gubernur
and right after they
mengeluarkan
canceled
perintah
school
untuk
for
tetap
my
di rumah.
grandson.
Tepat setelah sekolah cucu saya
My
diliburkan.
advice would be to stop taking the charcoal for
Saran
now,
saya
just to be
hentikan
safe.
dulu konsumsi arang
If
ini
you
untuk
ever
sementara
decided to take it again in the
demi
future,
kesehatan. Jika
I'd
tidak
take
kemudian
it
hari
at
Ibu
least an hour or
ingin
2
mengonsumsinya
after
lagi,
taking your
sebaiknya
other
diminum
medications to
setidaknya
give them a
1 atau
chance to
2
be absorbed by your
jam
body.
setelah obat-obatan lain
How long
agar
have
tubuh
you had the
sempat
lightheadedness
menyerap
and
obat
headaches?
tersebut terlebih dahulu. Sudah berapa
Well,
lama Ibu merasa
doctor,
pusing
the
dan sakit
headache
kepala?
started yesterday,
Sakit
but I've had
kepala
a few
mulai
ever
kemarin,
since this
dokter.
whole coronavirus thing
Tapi
started. I've
saya
been
sudah
lightheaded for
beberapa
about
kali
2 weeks now.
mengalaminya sejak pandemi ini dimulai.
That
Pusingnya sudah
could
sekitar
be
2 minggu.
due to the fact that you're not
Bisa
getting
jadi
your full
ini
dose
karena
of
tubuh
the
Ibu
blood
tidak
pressure
mendapatkan
medication
dosis
because of the
pengobat
charcoal.
tekanan darah akibat arang.
I want to rule that out
Saya
before
ingin
we dig any
memastikan hal
deeper.
ini sebelum mencari
Can I
penyebab
count on
lain.
you to stop taking the charcoal for now?
Bisakah Ibu berhenti minum arang untuk
Yes,
sekarang?
doctor. This
Ya,
makes
dokter,
sense.
ini masuk
I
akal.
remember feeling like this
Saya
before
ingat
I
dulu
started
juga
taking
merasa
my blood
seperti
pressure
ini sebelum
medication
mulai
a few
minum
years ago.
obat tekanan darah beberapa
What
tahun
about my
lalu.
runny nose,
Tapi
coughing, and
bagaimana
sore
dengan
throat?
hidung meler,
I'm really
batuk, dan
worried about
sakit
wheezing
tenggorokan
too.
saya. Saya juga khawatir dengan mengisah ya.
When did those symptoms start?
Kapan gejala ini mulai?
Well, doctor, my nose started
Hidung
running
saya
about a week
mulai
ago.
meler sekitar seminggu
Even
lalu.
though the governor told us
Walaupun
to
ada
stay home,
perintah untuk
I
tetap
had
di
to send my
rumah,
grandson out
saya
to
tetap harus
CVS to buy us some
menyuruh cucu
tissues.
saya membeli tisu ke CVS.
And the coughing and sore throat? When did those
Batuk dan
symptoms start?
sakit tenggorokan mulai kapan?
I started coughing 3 days
Batuk
ago.
mulai 3
My
hari
throat
lalu.
was so itchy
Tenggorokan
and I
saya
couldn't
terasa
sleep.
sangat gatal
Yesterday, my
sampai
throat
sulit
started
tidur.
feeling sore and
Kemarin
it hurt to
tenggorokan saya
swallow.
mulai
When I
sakit
told
saat
my
menelan.
grandson this,
Cucu
he
saya
said he was
khawatir
worried
dan
about
bilang,
me
saya
and
terdengar
told me
seperti
that it sounded like I
saat
was
kami
wheezing
berjalan-jalan
when we would
bersama.
go on our walks
Saya
together.
tidak mau meninggal
I
karena
don't
virus
want to
corona,
die of the
dokter.
coronavirus, doctor. Mrs. Vera, to
Bu
be
Vera,
perfectly honest with you,
Jujur
I don't
jujur
think
saja,
you have
saya tidak berpikir
COVID-19
ibu
or
terkena
the
COVID-19.
coronavirus. I've had a lot of patients
Banyak
complaining
pasien
about their
saya dalam
allergies
seminggu
within
ini
the
yang
past
juga
week,
khawatir
and
mengalami
some
hal
of them have
serupa.
even been worried that
Tapi
they have the
ternyata itu hanya
coronavirus.
alergi.
You're not alone.
Ibu tidak sendirian.
Are you sure, doctor? Shouldn't I get
Apakah
tested
ibu
to be
yakin,
sure?
dokter? Haruskah saya menjalani tes untuk
Well, Mrs.
memastikannya?
Vera, it sounds to me
Dari
like you
gejalanya,
started
ini
with a
lebih
runny
menyerupai
nose.
alergi.
That runny nose
Hidung
likely
meler
caused some
ibu kemungkinan
postnasal drip,
menyebabkan
which caused your
postnasal
throat to be
drip,
sore,
yang
which
menyebabkan
also
tenggorokan
caused your
sakit
coughing.
dan menimbulkan batuk.
But what about the wheezing?
Tapi bagaimana dengan mengingi saya?
You stated that you
Ibu
really
mengatakan
only wheeze when you
bahwa
went
mengingi hanya
outside for your
terjadi
walks
saat
with your
ibu
grandson,
keluar rumah
correct?
untuk berjalan-jalan dengan cucu ibu. Apakah benar?
Yes, that is
Ya,
true.
benar.
There's a lot of pollen in the
Saat
air
ini
outside
kadar
right now,
serbuk
so it
dari
makes sense
di udara
that
cukup
that
tinggi.
would aggravate your
Ini
allergy
bisa
symptoms.
memperburuk
You
gejala
stated
alergi.
that you didn't have any
Ibu juga
difficulty
tidak
breathing,
mengalami
and
kesulitan
you don't have a
bernapas dan
fever,
tidak
do
mengalami
you?
demam, kan?
No, doctor.
Tidak,
Just
dokter.
wheezing.
Saya sudah
I took
mengukur
my temperature 3 times
suhu tubuh
yesterday,
3
and I
kali
don't have a
kemarin
fever.
dan tidak ada demam.
Well, Mrs. Vera, I don't
Kalau
believe
begitu,
you have COVID-19.
saya yakin ini hanya
It
alergi,
sounds like
bukan
allergies to
COVID-19.
me.
Selain
There is
itu,
also
saat
a
ini
shortage
ada
of test kits for
kekurangan
coronavirus in
alat
our
tes
area,
COVID-19
so many
di daerah
physicians
kita.
are recommending people only go
Banyak
to the
dokter
hospital if their
menyarankan
symptoms
agar
are
orang
severe.
hanya pergi ke rumah
Furthermore,
sakit
going to the
jika
hospital right
gejalanya
now
parah.
probably isn't a good idea unless it's
Pergi ke rumah
absolutely
sakit sekarang
necessary.
juga bukan ide yang baik kecuali
Okay,
memang
thank you,
benar-benar
doctor.
diperlukan.
I feel much
Baik,
better.
terima kasih dokter. Saya merasa jauh
So,
lebih tenang.
Mrs. Vera, just stop taking that
Jadi, Bu Vera,
activated charcoal.
cukup hentikan
We'll see if that
konsumsi
helps
arang
with
aktif
your
dulu.
symptoms. It
Kita
may be
lihat
as simple as
apakah
that.
itu
If
membantu
after a
meredakan
few
gejala
days
ibu.
your allergy symptoms
Bisa
don't
jadi
improve,
sesederhana itu.
try using an
Jika dalam
over-the-counter nasal
beberapa
steroid spray.
gejala
But
alergi
make sure
tidak
to
membaik,
follow the directions
coba
on the
gunakan
package.
semprotan hidung
I'll
steroid
check back with
yang
you
jual
in
di
2
bas.
weeks.
Tapi pastikan untuk mengikuti petunjuk pemakaian pada kemasan. Saya akan mengecek kondisi ibu lagi dalam 2 minggu.